Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. We are full-time RVers. This is perfect. This is a RV cover, custom made for our RV. It's a 22 to 24 foot RV cover. And we are currently living in our RV, so we've had to shut it down a little bit just to cover this. So we won't be completely installing it, but we'll be mostly installing it. And on the things that we're not completely installing it, we'll walk you through what you should do. But I mean, we're going to mostly install it on our RV. We had to pull our slides in today, and we are going to show you this RV cover. It looks great. First off, what I'm going to show you is it did come with some patching material in case you ever rip it. You can cover it. It actually has, some material that you can, cover the rip. These are two straps that go over the whole. When you're all done, this goes over the whole thing, straps it all together. Let's open this big box. Susie, will you want to help me?
All right.
Our tire cover. So we're going to cover one tire for you just to show you what it looks like. Let's just dump it. Let's just pick it up and dump it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, much easier.
And let's just get rid of that box right off the bat. Okay, is this a bag that it's in? Oh, so. Yay! So it comes in its bag. So look at this bag closely. You'll probably never get it back in that bag. So is this shrunk wrap? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me very carefully cut this. We don't want to cut another bag too. Wow.
Shrink wrap. Oh, it's vacuum packed in there.
Okay, so it comes in a protective cloth bag, and then shrink wrap, and then in yet another shrunk wrap bag. So very, very good packaging.
There we go. Seal it in this to pull all the air out of it.
More car tire covers.
Well, what are those?
That's just one tire cover, I believe. Well, we'll look it up.
I don't know that that's a tire cover. These are tire covers. I have 4 tire covers here.
Or is it a spare?
Oh, it's a tongue jack cover, I bet.
Oh, it's for the jack.
Yep.
All right.
Tongue jack cover.
And it has the... Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you is these. I read the instructions on these. These are little gutter covers. So you want to put these over your gutters so that the gutters don't poke holes in your cover.
Oh.
So we're going to go put these all the way around. We're going to take you with us. I'm going to put them on the front only because we are not going to tighten this down like it's tightened for winter. So I'm just going to put one of these on for you for right now because we are not going to tighten this down so tight that it's going to rip today. So I'm going to put one of these on for you right now so that you can see how to do that. Your gutter cover, and it goes over this little guy right here so that this doesn't poke through when you get it all cinched down real tight, so it doesn't poke through and rip your cover. So it's funny because it kind of looks like a dog shoe. We have dogs and we have shoes for our dog. Kind of looks like a dog shoe. So first thing you do is you take the little styrofoam piece and you put it over the top of the gutter, and then you take this and you put it over like so, and you wrap her on as tight as you can go, just like that. And that just protects your cover. That's all that's...
Okay, so here's the tire cover. It has elastic on the top, and then you're strapped to tighten it at the bottom. So I'm going to just simply stretch the elastic over the tire, and then undo this.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Yeah, and then, well, I can't reach around there all by myself. But
and that's okay.
yeah, so the strap would go around and attach, and you could snug it down.
So it's got a strap that goes around the back of the tire,
and then it buckles together.
And you buckle that together. Awesome.
Okay, so then we have that cover. We have one on here, but we're just going to go ahead and put this one on. Super simple, just right over the top, cinch it up, and it has the little, I don't even know what you call these, the tightener.
Yep.
And you just snug that
That's
up.
the technical term.
The tightener. Hang on.
Huh? So that we can pull it down.
Whoa.
You pull. Okay, I'm going to exit now.
Huh?
So we have put it all on top of the top of the trailer, just getting it up there. We only had one ladder, so that's how we did it. So now we're going to pull it down all over the sides.
There we go. I got it. Needs to go that way, I think. There you have it. 8 or 10 inches.
No, these are the straps right here.
Right, but don't you think that's probably supposed to be in the middle? Does it go all the way?
But you want these straps. Where are those side straps at?
There we go. That's better.
Well, this does appear to be the corner right here.
Yep.
Okay, so take these straps here. Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to take these. Can they see? Okay, so what we're going to do here is you need to bring those straps over here, Susie. Or no, I'll bring these to you. That strap's right there. You can give me the tag if you want to.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't know that that's. Oh, careful.
Yeah. I'll give
Gotta
you
have
this.
room for the back of it too.
We're only doing the front. And I've got these rubber bands.
All right.
And we're gonna do this. Yeah, we won't do the bottom one just for the. And there you have it. It's all zipped up, and then down the side here. Down the side here, there's straps that go underneath. We're not going to put those on because we are living full time in here. But those go. This strap here. This strap here. There's a strap on the opposite side that would go underneath the trailer and zip strap this really nice and tight. Really tight to the top, which is awesome. Keeps it nice. This is very good fabric. Very good here. And here's a nice feature that is really nice, I think. Can you unzip that one there, Susie? So if you want to get into it, in the middle of the fall, to clean it, or in the spring you want to clean it, but you don't really want to uncover it, you can just roll this up. We won't do it all the way. You just roll this up.
And there's Velcro, but you can Velcro it up there.
You can Velcro that up and get into your vehicle, but it still remains covered. And then when you're done, you zip it back down. Or let's say you're in the middle of the winter and you go, oh man, I left that one thing in the trailer. You don't have to uncover the whole trailer. You just zip it and get in. So two of us, we could finish this up in 10 minutes. Throw those straps underneath there and straighten them up. I give this 2 thumbs up. This is
it's a nice cover.
Really nice cover. And
this one is a 22 to 24.
22 to 24 foot cover.
Or 20 to 24, and we have a 23 foot camper.
Yeah, we have a 23 foot camper. Fits like a glove.
Fits great. But there's still room for a 24 foot.
We can easily get another couple of feet probably in here. But it has vents all over. I love the little covers to protect the gutters. Protect the gutters. This is really a nice cover, folks. Go out and get yourself. Okay, and they have them for all sizes. Go out and get your camper covers today.
P.S. Just in case you were curious, we did manage to get it back in the bag. So go out and get your camper cover, and it fits back in that bag. Cool.